In today's bite-sized SWE episode, we're discussing performance and promotions. A strange fact of life is that high performance doesn't necessarily translate to a promotion. What do I mean by this? It's fully possible to be smashing it performance-wise, getting high ratings for your level, but also being far from promotion. But how is this possible? I'm crushing it. My bonus this year is going to be huge. Why am I not moving closer to the next level? The important distinction to understand here is that at a high level, there is a simple difference between performance and promotion. Performance is generally about output, promotions are about behaviors. You can truly be a shining star for your level, but at the same time, not exhibiting the necessary behaviors required to be promoted. For example, if you're a mid level engineer and you're cranking out crazy amounts of code and improving parts of the system, then this can net you strong ratings. But it doesn't necessarily mean that you are working at the scope and scale required for the senior level. People tend to confuse the two and think that if I'm performing strongly, then by definition I must be moving towards promotion. But that's not really how it works. Yes, it's unlikely that you will get promoted with a bad rating, but the flip side is also true. A high rating doesn't equal promotion. In order to achieve a promotion, it's important to understand the expectations and behaviors of the next level and then start working towards them. Remember that most companies want to see you demonstrating the behaviors of the next level for at least 6 months before they sign off on the promotion. So it's paramount that if you're after one, then understand what these are and start shifting the ways that you work and operate to align with these expectations. Your manager and the more senior ICs are a great resource to guide you, but a lot of the times it's not so simple as just knowing what these are on paper. It takes time to internalize and genuinely exhibit the behaviors and patterns of the next level. A lot of people just try to put on a show and fake it until you make it, which, yes, can get the ball rolling for you, but ultimately it makes it hard to actually get things over the line. Promotions are typically not a race, and it's important not to put pressure on them and try to time box these things. They will happen naturally when you are there, when you are ready and able to perform at the next level. Trying to force the matter will only lead to disappointment and frustration with the process. Give it time and be patient. Or just job hop to a company willing to hire you at the next level, but that's a topic for another day. And with that, that's all for this bite-sized SWE episode. Leave a comment about your thoughts down below and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I will see you in the next video.